So, like any viral or flu disease, in this case also the symptoms will be cold, cough, then fever. After that, difficulty in breathing and all that. So, in case you have cold, cough, and that persists for a longer time, and also you have difficulty in breathlessness, I request you to contact 104 helpline and tell about this condition. Team from the health department will come, will get in touch and take the samples if required. The most important precaution is that you have to maintain cleanliness. So whenever you are coming from outside, you please wash your hands, maintain cleanliness. Number second is cold and cough. If you are around a person who has got cold and cough, please try to stay away in case he's sneezing, coughing and all that. And people have to follow the sneezing or coughing etiquettes, which means cover your nose with a hanky and all that, so that the disease doesn't spread.